My real name is Marcelo Vera. I was a dancer when I was younger. People in San Antonio know me as Little Mighty Marty. I used to dance in a program. It was back in 1969. My passion of dancing's always been there, so I danced like James Brown. I always did my splits. That's always been my passion. And then working in hotels as concierge, valet, restaurants as a busboy, but always kept dancing. So as I grew up, my knees got a little worse. So I started getting older. In my 40s and 50s, my knees started hurting. So I started going to facilities, see what it was. They told me it was arthritis on my knees. I started reaching out, and my right knee is bone to bone. My left knee is getting there. So I wanted to start experimenting, finding out what can help me. I went different places to checking it out. They were giving me shots, but it wasn't working as much as I thought it would be. So as I'm going on and on, I came out on TV seeing this Arthritis Relief Vascular Center, and because I was given a procedure of doing a reconstruction. So I wanted to check it out. So I called these places in San Antonio, hearing a commercial on TV, and I came over here, and it's amazing for me, the process of how they approach you, how they ask you what's going on, how my pain was. So the process, it made me feel a lot more comfortable. They treat you as a family member, not a customer. So it was more genuine to me because, as I say, I go back, my dancing is very truly to me. I started out when I was 9 years old. I'm gonna be 64 here in October. So it's my passion. So getting my knees better, feeling more comfortable at the age of turning 64, I am so overwhelmed and blessed. And I just want to reach out to people in San Antonio, especially the Hispanic people, because there's friends of mine that are younger than me. They can't even go through this process right away. So I've been reaching out to people on my Facebook and telling them how better I'm getting and feeling, and I can still dance. And I'm blessed. I know my mom would tell me, I'm glad you're still dancing. She used to always tell me, you have that blessing the Lord gave you. So I want to keep doing the process. Yes, it's the injection of the gel, but they just don't give you the shot. They put it in the right projection of your knee where the gel needs to go. The other doctors I used to go to, they would just give you the shot. This place here, they puts it into certain places where it's affecting your knee in the right way. When I was asleep, the pain would aggravate me. Sometimes I would have to jump out of bed and stand up. Sometimes my leg would just go underneath of me. When I'd be walking, I would just like fall. My knee would just bend over. Like I would just lose control. I would fall. So it's really bad, especially my left knee was going that direction because I was putting that pressure on my left because of my right. So it hurt, and I used to cry sometimes in the evening because I couldn't sleep. So it was really, really bad. Oh, I could take a shower happy, I can go to bed happy, and I can do some dancing steps. It's amazing. It's a good feeling, totally. So I am blessed to come here, and I am blessed to see that commercial. I never listened commercials as much as reality. I call this place, and it's great. My pain was a 10, and now it's under 3 or 4. It's amazing, and I'm overwhelmed, especially the age I'm gonna turn to. I have a gentleman friend of mine, he's 57. He can barely walk, and he's having issues. So I told him to call y'all, and he's making an appointment here. That's why it's important for me to reach out to people. People knew me, that I was a little dancer, and there's people that are probably older than me going through the pain. So I want them to come and feel this family atmosphere here. That's why it's important for me to speak out. And thank you so much.